Kamusta naman ang buhay mo dyan, Gucci? Gucci! Si Tito. Oh,
Teddy bear yan?
Oo, Teddy bear. Blue Magic eh! Ano pa ang tinda sa Blue Magic?
Oo, damit.
Ang laki! Ang Teddy bear to.
Ano teddy bear? What kind of teddy bear?
Si Gucci! Si Gucci! Gucci! Hindi niya ako pinapansin yun! Priority niya yung pagkain. Nakanila lang. Thank you! Si Gucci!
Tuwang ko, patigila yan.
Kay Shade. Parang pinala niya parang kay Gucci. Kaya nga, bakit hindi ko maka? Hindi mo si Gucci, oh. Hindi ako pinapansin. Wala yun. Hindi si Gucci.
People couldn't believe what I'd become. Revolutionaries wait for my name on a silver plate, just a puppet on a lonely string. Oh, who would ever wanna be king? I hear Jerusalem bells ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Mirror, mirror, my soul, shield, missionaries in a foreign
Hindi man yun. Namili kami ng rice na 1 kilo lang. Ay, bakit tinanggal? Sige, palit. Ano yan? Oh, palit.
That was when
Cool ng 7-Eleven na may hotdog.
I used to rule the world. Seas would rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep.
Dito po kami ngayon sa ano?
Sweep the streets
Sa Araneta. Ha?
Dito yung... Dito yung...
I used to
Hello, man.
roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes. Listen as the crowd would sing. Now the old king is dead, long live the king. One minute I held the key. Next the walls were closed on me, and I discovered that my castle stand upon pillars of salt and pillars of sand. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing.
Ma, say hi. Kape, ay, ano yung iniinom mo? Ano yung iniinom mo?
Ano? Sabi ng tao mo.
Nalulunod kasi ako. Tapos dito kami kinantok. Time check. Mag-aalas 2. Sabi ko, ano yung iniinom mo? Ano na namin? Ano yan? Okay. Yun lang yung tinatanong ko haba ng explosion.
Kaya,
Wait,
I hear Jerusalem bells ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, I know Saint Peter won't call my name ever alone on this world, but that was when I ruled the world.
Pwede? Ang araw.
Come stop the crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight.
Maria, Torbian,
I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't
Marcelo Dominic Martin V. Arellano University in Pasig, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. To present to you candidates for graduation from Jose Rizal Campus, Malabon City.
I will be
The degree
here,
of
don't you
Bachelor of
cry.
Science in Hospitality
'Cause
Management.
you'll be mine. Yes, you'll be
True, Shane Antoinette R.
Asan si Raven? Si Raven! Uy, Gian! Si Raven! Hi! Hey! Nakuha tayo! Crazy! Saan? Ano ba nang nanawagan kami sa nanay namin, nasan kayo? Oh my God, parang kami sinasalubong sa airport.
hindi na kami, guys!
Papasala po kami. Papasala po na kami sa pagiging unemployed. Mama! Ano si Mama? Malulubat na ako, Ma. Ay, kayo? Bye-bye. Don't get lost.
Aww, bilis ng araw. Mga ano ba yan? Sinama pa sa vlog? Nakakainis naman to.
Uy, Lucid.
Explain ako ganyan ito. Akala ko dito.
Kakainis mo. Yung... Bye-bye!
Look. Ano ba yan? Mga sinto-sinto naman to mga taong to. Sabi ko magbabay, nagsinto-sinto.
Ako ba, Joy?
Oo, hindi, ikaw unggoy.
Sila sila, boy.
Ikaw budoy, pero mukhang unggoy.
Sige na, ano pa?
Sana na kayo ulit. Bye-bye! Thank you na pagpunta! Arigato!
Korean yung noodles.
Babay. Tita, babay na kami.
Dalawa ba binigay mo?
Kiss daw si Tristan.
Fish.
Kiss daw! Ayaw kay kiss. Papalam sa tito. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yung pala pupunta lang sa CR, no? Wala akong dalang iba.
Diyan lang.
Bye-bye! Bili ticket. Abay to, ingat. Good night, babush. Yummy.
I used to rule the world. Seas would rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own.
Wow!
Crazy, all you gotta do is just leave me alone.
Missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain. Once you go, it was never alone. This world, and that was when I ruled the world. It was the wicked and wild wind blew down the doors to let me in. Shattered windows and the sound of drums. People couldn't believe